Hello everyone and welcome to the channel AITTL Think, Tinker and Learn. If you're looking to unlock the practical power of AI, you are in the right place. This video is a part of level 1 series on the Gemini API where we're diving deep into solving real world problems with AI, focusing on practical application you can build yourself. We're keeping things accessible, primarily using the magic of prompt engineering and some straightforward Python functions. No advanced machine learning degrees are required here, just a desire to get hands on with the cutting edge AI. After the level 1 series, I'll be working on an advanced level 2 series focused on more complex AI and LLM projects. This will be where we dive into more intricate prompt engineering techniques, integrate with other APIs, and build slightly more robust applications. For now, let's start with today's level 1 video. If you enjoy what you see in the video, be sure to check out the entire playlist for more practical AI insights and hands-on tutorials. Let's get started. If you have ever designed a website, you know this feeling. You've stared at it for so long that you can't even tell if it's good anymore. Is the button in the right place? Is this color scheme working? You desperately need a fresh pair of eyes. What if that fresh pair of eyes belonged to an AI expert? An AI that could look at a screenshot of your website and give you a professional UI UX audit, telling you exactly what's working and what could be improved. Today, we are building that exact tool with the Google Gemini Vision. This is a mind blowing look at how AI can reason about abstract concepts like design. Let's get started. Welcome to our digital design studio, Google Colab. The core concept here is that we are asking the AI to do something much more advanced than just identifying objects. We are asking it to evaluate what it sees based on a set of learned principles, the principles of good design. First, we'll install our standard libraries, Google Generative AI and Gradio. Then we'll securely load our Gemini API from the Colab Secrets tab. This gives our AI designer its credentials. Make sure that you provide, we are using Colab Secret tab here. Provide your API key up here and make sure that you allow it notebook access. Okay, this is running. Um, this is a simply, I'm just getting configuring this, my Google API key up here. Everything goes well, then Gemini API key will be configured successfully. Okay, Gemini API key has been configured successfully. Now, this is super important. We must use a multimodal model, one that can see images. We are using Gemini 1.5 Flash. It's not just going to see pixels, it's going to recognize them as buttons, text, and layouts, and then apply its knowledge of design to them. Okay. Okay, this is the brain of our AI consultant. The prompt is everything. This is where we teach a general AI how to think like a seasoned UI UX expert. It's a master class in prompt engineering for evaluative tasks. First, the persona. You are an expert UI UX design consultant with a keen eye for detail and a knack for providing clear, constructive feedback. This immediately frames the AI's mindset. It's not just a chatbot, it's a professional. Next, we give it a framework for analysis. We don't just say review this, we ask it to analyze specific categories: first impressions, layout and spacing, color and typography, and calls to action. This forces it to look from multiple angles. So if you notice here, I have listed down specifically that, okay, you have to look at this um, professionally from the following aspect. Okay. And here is the key to making the feedback useful, the output format. We demand a balanced report. We ask for a section on what works well and a section for suggestion for improvement, as you might notice here. This is critical. It makes the feedback constructive, not just critical. And we ask for bulleted list to keep it scannable and clear. By giving the AI this detailed review template, we're not just getting a reaction, we're getting a structured professional audit. It's the difference between asking a friend, hey, do you like it? And getting a paid consultation. Okay. So our AI consultant is ready for clients now. Let's build its office with Gradio. We are setting up a two-column layout. On the left, our input, a simple GR image uploader. We set type is equal to PIL, talking about this section, and you'll notice I have set put a type is equal to PIL. This is to make sure that it's the right format for our Python function. On the right, our output, a GR markdown component. This is essential because our prompt is designed to produce a beautiful report with headers, bolding, and bullet points. The markdown component will make it look amazing. The dot click function, which you can observe here, is what schedules the consultation. It says when the button is clicked, run our analyze UI function, take the uploaded image as input, and display the formatted report in the output area. It's simple. Next, we launch it with share equals true to get our public link. Here, let's run this. Okay, our AI UI analyzer is ready now. And I'll just open the public link for this. Okay, I've got a screenshot here of the Stripe homepage, which is actually known for its very clean design. Let me just drop it here. Okay, it's uploading. Okay, so let's ask our AI to analyze the design. Okay, all right, look at the format, just like what we asked for it. What works well and what are the suggestions for improvement? Interesting. So even for a design like a Stripe, which is known for its very clean and very, nice UI design, it is showing us some suggestion for improvement here as well. Let's go through them. Strong headline and value proposition. Interesting. Clear visual hierarchy. And effective use of colors. Let's look at the suggestion for improvement. Improve CTA clarity and placement. While there is a clear call to action to join the Millium, the placement and design of call to action should be improved. Consider making it visually more prominent. Hmm, Perhaps a larger button. Well, that's a legitimate subjective design option. Um, if you notice here, then this is not just stating fact, it is making a judgment call here. This is so incredible. It is actually looking at design, a different design principle, applying them to this particular page, providing suggestion, and actually making clear judgment exactly what you should be doing, like putting a larger button, then incorporate more visuals. And then there was here refining to showcase how Stripe help achieve the headlines promises. So, and that is how you build an AI that can function as a creative consultant. The key was a prompt that gave the AI a professional persona and a structured framework for its analysis. And that allowed it to go beyond just seeing and start evaluating. And not just evaluating in terms of evaluation also, it is actually providing clear detailed instruction as to what should be done on those. The full Colab notebook is linked in the description below. I highly encourage you to try this out. Take a screenshot of your own website or pick up any other website or any other website that you've always thought that, okay, it could be improved or what can be possibly done on those, and see what the AI thinks. Let me know the most interesting piece of feedback you get in the comments. If you found this video very insightful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more practical AI projects, and ring that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.